Fun with fire. Today we're doing a very interesting sparkler. I got these for free. I think they're from Pyro Junkie, I'm not sure. It's called Blast from the Past. And there's Thomas Jefferson, my favorite president. It says red, green, gold sparkler. Made in China. And it's very small, but I'm going to read something to you. Thomas Jefferson died on July 4th, 1826, on the 50th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. He died a few hours before John Adams. So you learn a little history, and you get a little sparkler action with it too. Now, long-lasting, safe, and bright. But let me pause this. I'm going to show you something. So upon opening these, I wanted to see the tips. Maybe the tips had colors, but they all look the same. So I don't know which one is which color. It's very interesting here. So I guess we got to light them and see. Maybe they all change color. Maybe it goes red, green, and gold. I don't know. But we'll have to check it out. So let's check out Blast from the Past sparklers. I'm going to say Pyro Junkie. I got these for free, like I said. So let's check them out. Alright, so let's check these out. Let's see. Let's see if maybe it changes color. I mean, I see the nice electric color. Next electric, this one's just all gold. But I'm thinking like maybe it changes color. Nice electric sparkler though. But this one's gold. So I don't think that's going to change color. Alright, I randomly select another one. Maybe this one has color. It's still gold. So my guess is these are probably all gold and there's no red and green. So I don't know why it's saying red and green on the packaging. But we have to test these out, right? Still has a very good electric look to it though. Love that effect in sparklers. We'll try one more. Yeah, I think they're all gold. I was hoping to have some colors, but I thought maybe they change colors as they go, but it looks to me like they're just all gold. But can you really complain about free sparklers? No, you can't. They were just giving them away with the purchase. Alright, well, they have a nice electric effect at least, so they get that.